welcome to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE. And I was out and about this weekend and I thought I would pop into TJ Maxx to see what they had new in stores for Christmas. And oh my gosh, guys, they had a lot. I don't need any more Christmas decor, but I do like going to see what's new for the year. So I thought I would take you along with me on this quick trip and show you what's new at my local TJ Maxx. So if you love home decor shopping and you love shopping at TJ Maxx on a budget, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I will be starting my Christmas decorating series here on November 1st. I know that may be a little early for some, but I don't think it's ever too early to start decorating for Christmas. And then when you have your friends and family over for Thanksgiving, you have your tree up. It's so warm and cozy. So yeah, I'll be decorating starting November 1st. So if you're into that as well, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I have tons of DIYs and tons of budget-friendly home decor decorating tips for Christmas that you don't want to miss. So let's see what they have new at TJ Maxx. We're really going to be focusing on clearance. Clearance is where I like to hit first, and then Christmas. So keep watching.
Even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve. Up above, they are shining with love, listening to this song playing on, listening to this song playing on.
Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my